guys, we're back out here with my 1976 Dodge D600 dump truck. Today we're going to work on finding out what wheel cylinders these have so I could get them ordered and get the brakes fixed on this so we could drive it on the road. If you like this series, there's a playlist on my channel that you could watch, and there's also a playlist for my 1991 Freightliner cab over. With me going to work and stuff with it as well. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, it really helps me out. I hope you enjoy the video, and let's get started. Hey guys, this is something I keep in my truck. Basically what this is a torque multiplier. So this is the mechanism here. You put this on here, and this now makes this 58-to-1 reduction. This will get off the most stubborn bolt that you have. I usually carry a 1/2 inch DeWalt 20 volt with me as well, but sometimes these semi lug nuts, it just won't get them. So I carry this as well just in case. So we're going to use them on the dump truck here to get them out because I've been moving and I misplaced where I packed my cordless, so we're going to have to do it all manually. Here's how this works. I'm going to put the socket on. And then this foot will rest up against the lug nut, then the other lug nut, like so. And then, whoop, wrong way. We turn this. And just like lifting a trailer, it loosens it up. These are pretty rusty, so I'm going to go quite a bit on them. Alright. This has this all loose. Here's my helper, Edie. Right here, Edie. Look at the camera. She's helping me today. She's going to be our shop inspector. Watch out, girl. Alright, I got to jack up the truck and get this. Alright, we got that all jacked up now. Tires off the ground, so now we got to take the wheel off. We can get these last two off. What do you think, Edie? Well, we got that off. Now we gotta work on getting the drums and stuff off. Find out the parts we need. Alright guys, so this is what I got now. I believe this is 2 pieces, but it's rusted shut. And I tried to knock it loose a little bit, and I don't think it's gonna. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the hub off and pull the whole drum apart as one. Also, while I was down here, I noticed that the brake lines, they're gone, which was kind of expected. So I'll be getting them too. But yeah, springs are arched a little bit too, but those are probably okay for my purposes at this point. Bushings and stuff are shot, of course, just being an old truck. So yeah, I'll set you guys back up on the tripod and grab some tools and get this off. Alright, got the channel locks. Let's see. Nice heavy duty grease cover. Threads on. Doesn't look too bad in there. Looks like it's fairly clean. Let's see if I can get this cotter pin out. Alright, so now I gotta get this cotter pin out of here. There we go. Got this locking ring off. That locks it so the second bolt can't come off. And then be nice to inspect all the bearings and stuff too, get the whole front end rebuild. I might need oh, got lucky there, didn't I? Timken bearings, makes me happy. I like American bearings. Alright, let's see if this will come off now. I'm gonna have to break the brakes down a little bit. Hold on. I should have done this before, but I didn't. But I will now. And I do have a jack stand underneath the truck. It's very important to do. It looks like this truck was pretty well taken care of. There's grease everywhere. Can't remember which way to go. That's the way, I think. Alright. Yep, that'll get it now. Alright. Let's check out this drum. Looks to be in pretty good shape. Brake pads aren't too bad. Got a little bit of a spider issue. But overall, it looks pretty decent in here. I'll price brakes, but these ones are really good enough that they don't have to be done. So I'm not sure if I'll do them or not. Now I'm going to pull this guy out, take him to the store and order one. Alright. Oh, I need to get the line. It looks a little corroded. It might give me some heck. Let's see. Just those two bolts hold it in, and then the line. I'm going to pull the line out from up here, I think. From up top. Oops. Alright. Alright, now we're going to pull the line out from here, or at least attempt to. Once again, I should have a flare wrench for this job, but I don't have one on me. It broke free, so we're good. Got the clip off. Alright. So here's the wheel cylinder and the line. I'm going to leave it together. It's really corroded here, and I just need to match it up. And there's a part number on it, so I'll be able to get that. you.